As we take our next step in the meditation, we realize that there is so much which we would like to experience. And as I always say, at the root cause of all of this is that innate desire to be happy, to be joyful, and to live life every moment. Welcome, dear friends, once again to this meditation. We are on the second meditation. And before we go more in detail, I would request you to relax your body. You could either sit or lie down. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your body completely and listen to a few words which I am going to quote from one of my all-time favorite authors, Louis Hay. In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete, and yet life is ever changing. There is no beginning, no end, only a constant cycling and recycling of substance and experiences. Life is never stuck or static or stale, for each moment is ever new and fresh. I am one with the joy, with the very power that created me, and this power has given me the power to create my own circumstances. I rejoice in the knowledge that I have the power of my own mind to use in any way I choose. Every moment of life is a new beginning point as we move from the old. This moment is a new point of beginnings for me right here and right now. All is well in my world. Friends, life is really simple. What we give out, we get back. So today, we are going to give ourselves some more love, some more affection, some more respect. And yes, we are going to give ourselves a lot more than just this. Because when we give ourselves love, everything blooms, everything gets better. So let us do this now. Let us pay attention to our breath, the air that goes in and the air that goes out. Just focus on that. For a few seconds, allow yourself to just be focused on inhalation and exhalation. Notice any changes in the body. And as you relax, I simply want you to connect to your heart. At this point of time, if there is anything which is bothering you or which is causing you some kind of discomfort in your thoughts or in your emotions, be in awareness of that. Just be aware of that. Observe what are you feeling. Observe what are you thinking. And observe what are the thoughts. How is your inner talk? How are you connecting to that inner being? So, right now, let us focus on our physical body for any pains, any uneasiness, anywhere you feel any kind of stiffness. Let us just be in awareness of that. If at this point of time you feel a bit emotional or you feel like crying, it's okay to do that. Be kind to yourself and allow yourself to cry. And at this point of time, I want you to be completely aware of everything and once again focus all the attention to your heart center, which lies at the center of your chest. And then you can say a few things to yourself. I am loved. I am love. I am loved. I am love. I am always supported in everything that I do. It is safe for me to feel all my feelings. I love myself tremendously in spite of whatever is happening in my life. And even if whatever is happening in my life, I still deserve love and respect. I deserve unconditional love. I am worthy of all my dreams to come true. Just allow yourself to feel all the energy of the statements you just said. As they say, self-worth opens many doors. And now, let us just claim our self-worth by saying, as I internally create a pattern of self-worth, I no longer have to need to delay my good. I am willing to release the pattern within me that is creating this condition. As you feel the affirmation, allow yourself to integrate the energy of it. At this point, let us be grateful for all the love and all the support we've been getting from the universe. And with the statements, we are anchoring all the healing what we have done in our physical body. So start anchoring yourself. Imagine your feet on the ground and imagine roots growing below them. And as roots grow below them, allow yourself to be totally grounded in the energy of this beautiful healing which we just done, along with the verbal affirmations which gives more weight to it. Take a deep breath in and out. You may start moving your feet and toes a little bit. Maybe something like gently moving your toes and all the little fingers next to it. You may wriggle them. Slowly start getting aware of your knees. Make some movements from your knees. Stomach area, chest area. Pay special attention to your heart because that is what is the most important element in this meditation. Slowly start getting aware of your hands, your face, your head. Take a deep breath and gently and slowly, whenever you feel ready, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you.